Tariff discussion went in. It's a very heated discussion, and we see a higher demands for vehicles and more traffic in our stores.
Mercedes spent decades building a reputation for precision and reliability. But perfection can sometimes backfire. Specific engines designed to push boundaries left their owners with endless repairs. Others became so dependable that mechanics rarely got to see them. The answer is clear. Only a handful of Mercedes engines deserve the spotlight, while a few belong on the warning list. Let's find out which ones truly earn their badge and which ones should be avoided at all costs. Best number 1, Mercedes M156. This engine was a milestone because it was the first ever designed entirely by AMG, Mercedes' own performance division. It came to life between 2006 and 2014, and during that time, it set a new standard for how a powerful engine should feel and sound. What makes this engine even more special is the way it was built. Every single M156 was handcrafted by one AMG expert. After finishing, the expert even placed a small plate with their name on the engine to show who built it. That tiny plate tells a big story about pride and skill. Instead of being made by machines on a factory line, these engines were crafted like fine instruments with care and precision. Moving forward, the M156 is known for delivering strong, exciting power. Depending on the car it was placed in, it produced anywhere from 450 to a little over 500 horsepower. And it did all this naturally, without using turbochargers or superchargers. That means all the power came directly from the engine itself, giving drivers a raw and responsive feel that many say is pure driving joy. Of course, no engine is perfect. The early versions of this one, built between 2006 and 2008, had some trouble with the head bolts, which could cause costly repairs. However, Mercedes quickly noticed the issue and fixed it in the later versions. The models built after 2009 proved strong and dependable, especially for high-performance engines. Best number 2, Mercedes OM66. Among all Mercedes engines ever built, the OM606 holds a special place in the hearts of car lovers. Especially the turbocharged version, known as the OM606.962, is often spoken of with admiration. This 3-liter inline-six diesel engine, built between 1993 and 2001, earned a reputation for being almost unbreakable. Many experts and owners alike call it one of the most dependable engines ever made. Not just by Mercedes, but by any car company. To understand why this engine became so respected, it helps to look at how it was built. Unlike modern engines that rely heavily on electronics, the OM606 uses a mechanical injection system. This design uses a Bosch inline fuel pump that is so sturdy and consistent that many mechanics describe it as nearly impossible to fail. It might not sound exciting, but its reliability is what makes it truly legendary. Mercedes engineers didn't just make it good, they made it stronger than it needed to be. Because of this overbuilt design, the OM606 can keep running for a very long time. Many of these engines easily pass 300,000 to 500,000 miles with only regular care, such as oil changes and filter replacements. There are even stories of some E-Class cars with this engine reaching 800,000 miles on the original motor, an incredible achievement for any vehicle. Best number 3, Mercedes M111. Few engines manage to keep running decade after decade with such quiet confidence as the Mercedes M111. Even today, many owners still drive their old C-Class or E-Class fitted with this engine, and it starts every morning without hesitation. Long before people began praising low-maintenance cars, this 4-cylinder had already proven that reliability could be built, not just promised. So what gives it such lasting strength? Mercedes engineers designed it during a time when engines relied more on solid materials than on computer sensors. There was no complicated valve system, no advanced fuel mapping, and no delicate electronics that could fail. Everything about it was simple, strong, and made to last. Digging deeper, the M111 combined a cast iron base with an aluminum head, blending toughness with lightness. Interestingly, this engine came in several versions ranging from 1.8 to 2.3 liters, yet all shared the same smoothness and dependable rhythm. Even after hundreds of thousands of miles, Many still run quietly and burn little oil, which is rare for engines of that age. Best number 4, Mercedes M113. Mercedes made wise choices with materials too. Both the block and the heads are aluminum, which keeps the engine light without sacrificing strength. And when enthusiasts talk about tuning potential, the M113's durability makes it one of the most forgiving engines to modify. As for problems, there's very little drama. Early versions sometimes had crankshaft position sensors that needed replacing, but that's a quick and inexpensive job. A light oil leak from the valve cover after years of use is about as bad as it gets, and even that's easy to fix. What surprises many people is how long this engine lasts. It's common to see M113s running well past 250,000 or even 300,000 miles, still delivering smooth power with that unmistakable Mercedes tone. Drivers love how it feels effortless, like it's never working too hard. Where's number 1, Mercedes OM651? Now that the best performers are out of the way, it's time to talk about the engines that gave Mercedes owners more stress than satisfaction. When the chain begins to stretch, which can occur around 100,000 miles, the engine must be removed entirely for replacement. That small chain, worth about $20, can lead to repair bills ranging from $4,000 to $7,000. The issues do not stop there. The OM651 also faces a series of common failures that make ownership expensive. Fuel injectors often give out, and replacing each one can cost several $100s. The EGR valve tends to clog, reducing power and fuel efficiency. Even worse, the oil cooler seals are prone to leaking, which causes coolant and oil to mix. Once that happens, the mixture forms a thick sludge that can ruin the engine entirely. Mechanics who work on these cars know the OM651 all too well. Many of them joke that this engine alone has paid for their workshops or their children's college tuition, a sign of how often these repairs come through the door. Worst number 2, Mercedes M102. Continuing with the engines that caused endless frustration for owners, the next on the list is the Mercedes M102. This 4-cylinder gasoline engine was produced from the early 1980s into the 1990s and powered several well-known models, including the 190E. At first glance, it seemed a dependable, simple layout, fair power, and typical Mercedes build quality. But hidden beneath that clean design was a flaw that made it one of the most troublesome engines of its time. The core issue lies in its timing chain. Mercedes engineers decided to fit the M102 with a single-row chain rather than a stronger double-row system. That decision proved costly for thousands of owners. Over time, this chain stretches quickly, causing tension to drop and the chain to rattle during startup. That faint metallic noise is not harmless. It's the first sign of major trouble. If ignored, the chain can skip teeth or break entirely, causing the valves and pistons to collide. The result is a destroyed engine and a repair bill that can easily reach several $1,000s. This problem doesn't take long to appear. Failures have been reported at anywhere from 80,000 to 120,000 miles, long before most drivers expect such a significant breakdown. The timing chain might be the worst offender, but it's not the only one. The M102 is also known for oil leaks, particularly from the head gasket and valve cover area. Small drips often appear on driveways and garage floors, leaving behind stains that hint at more expensive repairs ahead. To make matters worse, finding replacement parts for the M102 has become increasingly complex over the years. Many components are now rare or expensive, and even routine fixes can take longer and cost more than expected. Worst number 3, Mercedes OM642. Moving at the bottom of the list of problem engines brings us to the Mercedes OM642. Ask any technician who regularly works on these engines and the story sounds very different. The first issue most mechanics mention is the oil cooler seal. It is a small rubber part worth about $20, yet it causes one of the most expensive and destructive failures on this engine. When the seal wears out, coolant and oil start to mix. The result is a thick, brown sludge that circulates through the system, damaging nearly everything it comes into contact with. Repairing the mess means removing major components, a job that easily costs several $1,000s. Next comes the swirl flap mechanism. These are small moving plates inside the intake manifold meant to improve efficiency and emissions. On paper, the idea works. In practice, the flaps often break apart and get sucked into the cylinders. Once that happens, the pieces can damage valves, pistons, and even the turbocharger. What begins as a minor design feature can end in complete engine failure. Another recurring headache is the glow plug system. These plugs tend to seize in place over time, and when attempted removal, they can snap off. A routine job that should cost a few $100s suddenly becomes a major repair involving specialized extraction tools and hours of labor. Fuel injectors are another expensive concern. The piezo-type injectors used in this engine are precise but costly, averaging several $100s each. Since there are 6 of them, replacing all can quickly exceed the cost of a used car. For many owners, these problems combine into a pattern that drains both patience and savings. Some OM642 engines have required repairs totaling well over $10,000 before reaching 150,000 miles. And that wraps up our look at the best and worst Mercedes engines ever built. Some of them earned their fame through years of dependable service, while others became known for the exact opposite. If this breakdown helped you, subscribe to the channel. More videos like this are on the way, exploring the engines, cars, and design decisions that shaped automotive history. So what matters more to you? Performance that thrills or reliability that lasts? Tell us in the comments below.